channel. So today I will be doing a house tour, and yes, I haven't posted in a really long time. I'm super sorry, but yeah. So let's start. And this house was inspired by Grace K. You should go subscribe to her. She's a really amazing builder. And yeah, so we go inside. And you come in to this wall thing that there's nothing inside. So here is the bathroom. And I also tried to make it a modern theme because why not? Toilet, the shower, and yeah, a big mirror. Okay, and here is the living room, which my unicorn could just sit there and watch TV. Here's a little grinding area where you could just like take care of your pet a little. But I have another grinding room, but I just made this one because I didn't want to leave it empty. Here is the bathroom. Oh wait, no, I mean the kitchen. Yeah, this is the kitchen. There's a fridge and donuts and all sorts of stuff. There's 3 benches because why not? And you go in this room. Here is the grinding area where you could sit there and grind. I'm trying to make my unicorn full grown so then I can make another neon unicorn because I really want to make a mega neon unicorn. And I probably will make a video on making my other neon unicorn. Hi. Well, hi. Here is my room. Yeah, my room. With a crib, my bed, a mirror, and my computer. Which, that's not where I make videos. And here's my closet. But here is my gaming area. It's very small. Because, yeah, I didn't know what else to put in here. And the Roll Squad. That's why you should go join the Roll Squad by subscribing and liking my videos. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh, here's the dining area. It's okay. Here is the piano, where you can play if you're bored. And here is his room. You should go subscribe to him too. And here is where he does his videos and his bed. And his bathroom. With a blue shower. Cause okay. And here is the guest's room. Oh, actually no. Here is a place where you could sit and read. Read books. About books. And here's the guest room, and there's no bathroom because I was running out of space, even though it's kind of empty. Here is where the guests could go if they want to make a video or just play Roblox and sleep here. And there's their closet, and they have a plant here with a rug, because why not? And yeah, that's my house. It's very white. But again, it was inspired by Grace K. Well, not all of it, mostly the downstairs. So you should go subscribe to her and subscribe to Martin. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will try to post more because I haven't been posting in a really long time. I hope you guys enjoyed and make sure to join the Roast Squad again. And bye!